Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to arrange your products on Shopify. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we need just to go to the products. From here, we will find all our products. And here, you can create either a view, for example, for your products. Let's just name it QQ, or let's make it just a test view. So from here, you will be able to add some views here in the products. And basically, here are the products that are labeled, for example, active. Here we will find the draft and the archive. And basically, you can give them also the QQ tag that we have added, and they will be able to be only shown in this part. So this is a first way to arrange your products by tag, or you can simply create your own collections. So here we can find collection, and we will need just to create a collection. And basically, for example, name it furniture, and then we will just give it a description. And from here, either you can give it a collection, an automated type for collections, or you can make it manual. So from here, you can give it, as you can see, some tags. And for example, give it a tag or collecting by whatever you like. And from here, you can give it some conditions, or you can go for any condition. And after that, you will need just to click on save. Also, you can give an image to this collection. And if you choose the manually, you will need just to search the product. So here you will find all your product list and you click on add. And basically now I have my own collection for furniture, for example, and I will find them here in my collections. So here you can see my furnitures will have only my products that are included in it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.